Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore exciting ways to make money online using the power of artificial intelligence. AI isn't just for tech enthusiasts, it's a game changer for anyone looking to boost their income. So, let's dive into some practical and effective methods that you can start using today. First up, freelancing. There are many platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer where businesses are seeking skilled professionals. By leveraging AI tools, you can offer services like content writing, graphic design, and even social media management. For example, AI-powered writing assistants like ChatGPT or Jasper can help you craft blog posts, product descriptions, and even ebooks faster and with better quality. AI design tools like Canva or Adobe Sensei allow you to create stunning graphics in minutes, no experience needed. With these tools, you can take on more projects and boost your income. Another way to make money is by creating and selling AI-generated products. These can include digital art, music, stock photos, and even AI-generated ebooks. For example, using AI-based course creation tools, you can quickly generate lesson plans or video scripts. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable allow you to upload your course and start earning from students all over the world. Have you ever thought about using AI for stock market or cryptocurrency trading? AI algorithms can help analyze market trends, make predictions, and even execute trades. Platforms like eToro or QuantConnect use AI to provide traders with insights, alerts, and automation tools. By leveraging these tools, you can potentially make smarter, more informed trading decisions, even if you're just starting out. Finally, let's talk about affiliate marketing. AI can supercharge your efforts by helping you identify the best products to promote, optimize your content, and even personalize your marketing strategy. AI-driven tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs can help you find profitable niches and keywords. With AI's help, you can create optimized content that attracts more clicks and conversions, making it easier to earn commission. There you have it, 5 amazing ways to make money online with AI. The potential is limitless, and with the right tools, you can start earning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to grow your online income. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.